Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to focus on toilet paper and paper towel deals. I don't know about you, but I am constantly running low. I am almost completely out of paper towels currently in my own stockpile, so we're going to stock up for super low out of pocket. These are all deals that you can do this Saturday, February 18th at Dollar General. Before I get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to my awesome Patreon subscribers. I absolutely adore y'all. You are just absolutely awesome. I really appreciate you. If you're interested in joining my Patreon page and being mentioned here in my YouTube deal videos every week and opening access to things like my coupon sticker club, my coupon deals list every week, of which this week I wrote 800 couponing deals. The link is down in the video description. It will take you over to my Patreon page where you'll find all the information you need. So let's get started. For our first deal, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a 16-count pack of Angel Soft toilet paper, and one of the Febreze plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.75, and then after all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.45 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $14.30. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love couponing deals where I am saving more money than I'm actually paying out of pocket. I just love couponing. For our second deal, grab one of the Clean Clear face scrubs, a Neutrogena acne face wash, an 8-count pack of Scott 1000 toilet paper, and again, one of the Febreze plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.70, and then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.90 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $13.80. Now, I want to make sure I comment here. I don't know if you noticed, we got a $3 off when you spend $16 or more on Scott toilet paper, or Scott products, I think is exactly how it's worded. Now, I know we don't have $16 worth in this deal, but I want to make sure I mention, unfortunately, that promotion is not working for the Scott 1000 toilet paper. I don't know why they keep doing this, but I want to make sure I mention it so you don't get surprised at the register. Now, our third deal will work for that $3 off 16 Scott instant savings. Grab one of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, an 18-count pack of Scott toilet paper, a 12-count pack of Scott toilet paper, and then 2 boxes of Crest toothpaste. Our total retail value comes to $30.15. Now, I know that's a little bit higher, but when you do an instant savings, your instant savings has to reflect in your total. So, because we have a $3 instant savings, our before coupon total has to be $25 plus 3, which is $28 before any coupons, or the 5 off of 25 will not come off. So after all coupons and instant savings, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.15 plus tax, and that's a total savings of $15 for this deal. For our fourth deal, grab one of the Febreze plugins, a pack of Swiffer dry refills, 2 bottles of Garnier shampoo, a 6-count pack of Angel Soft Ultra toilet paper, and then finally one of the Always Discreet liner packs. The ones that are $6.25, by the way. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.95, and then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.65 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16.30 for this deal. Awesome, awesome price. For our fifth deal, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a 12-count pack of Scott toilet paper, one of the larger size bottles of microban spray, that's $6.75, and then one of the Febreze plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27, but after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.70 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $16.30. This is a really good example of the awesome magic that $6 off Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit coupon makes for working and stocking up on awesome deals. I'm just gonna leave the tongue twisters in, y'all. Next up, we have my favorite part of the deal video, the paper towel deals. I'm so excited to stock up. So for our sixth deal, grab 2 packs of the Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, a 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 1 bottle of microban spray, and then finally one of the Finish jet dry cleaners. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.80, and then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.80 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14.80. Awesome deal to stock up on the dishwasher tablets and paper towels. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm telling you, I am stocking up on paper towels. I'm not doing this almost out of paper towels anymore. I don't know about you, but I'm over it. So for our seventh deal, grab one of the Febreze plugins, a can of microban spray, 2 packs of the 2-count sparkle paper towels, 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and finally 1 bottles of Eucerin lotion. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28, but then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $13.70 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $14.30. Next up, for our eighth deal, grab 1 pack of Swiffer dry refills, an 8-count pack of Bounty paper towels, that is $15 by the way, 1 bottle of Nivea lotion, my favorite brand of lotion by the way, and finally 1 bottle of Dawn Power Wash refill. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.75, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14.50 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $11.25. Now, the deal doesn't stop there. If you go into the Ibotta app and go under Dollar General, there is a $3 Ibotta rebate that will bring this final out of pocket all the way down to just $11.50 plus tax. Awesome time to stock up. For our ninth deal, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, a 6-count pack of Viva paper towels, and 2 boxes of Crest toothpaste. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.45, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14. This is awesome. Our out-of-pocket is technically a couple cents under just the full price of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, and it's like we're getting the toothpaste and the paper towels free. Awesome deal. Our 10th deal is definitely one that I will be doing this week. I'm super excited for this one. For this deal, grab one of these Swiffer dry refills, a box of Polident cleaning tablets, a 6-count pack of sparkle paper towels, 1 bag of finished quantum dishwasher tablets, and then 1 of the Febreze plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.40, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.10 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15.30. Now, the reason why I'm super excited about this deal, by the way, I use Polident not only for cleaning my retainer, it's awesome for that purpose, but going into the spring and summer months, if you have a water bottle that is difficult to clean, it's got one of those narrow openings, fill it with warm water and one of these Polident cleaning tablets and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. It does an amazing job at getting that water bottle clean. Now, this is assuming that you're just using like water. Like it's going to be a little bit more difficult to clean if you're putting like juice or pop in it. But if you use water, awesome product to stock up for the warmer months. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite deal. This helps me better plan out future deal videos, and I love adding in items that you guys are actually looking for. Like this week, sneak peek, I had a lot of people last week ask for trash bag deals, so I have a 10 trash bag deal video coming this week. I'm super excited to show you. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I have a bunch of them, or I do one of my couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.